Hi students, today we will study application of damped oscillation, that is LCR series circuit. Oscillatory LCR series DC circuit act as a damped oscillator. In figure, inductance L, capacitance C, resistor R join in series with battery of EMF A and K is the key. When battery of EMF E is on and key is closed, then capacitor C is fully charged. When key is disconnected, at that time this capacitor discharge through resistance R and coil of inductance L. By varying current flow through the circuit, let I be the current at time instant t and Q is the charge left on the capacitor and EMF induced on the inductor is L into di by dt. Apply Kirchhoff's voltage law to this circuit, then we have VL plus VR plus VC is equal to 0. VL, the value of VL is L into di by dt plus IR plus Q upon C is equal to 0. Put I is equal to dq by dt. Then we have L into d by dt of the value of I dq by dt plus R dq by dt plus Q upon C is equal to 0. It gives L into d2q by dt square plus R dq by dt plus 1 upon C into Q is equal to 0. This is a differential equation in Q. This equation is second order linear homogeneous differential equation. This equation is analogous to differential equation of damped oscillator. We know that the equation of damped oscillator is m into d2x by dt square plus r into dx by dt plus kx is equal to 0. In both equation, m is analogous to L, r is analogous to R and k is analogous to 1 upon C. Solution of differential equation L into d2q by dt square plus R into dq by dt plus 1 upon C into Q is equal to 0. Solution Q is equal to Q0 e raised to minus RT divided by 2L into sine of omega dash t plus phi. This solution is similar to solution of damped oscillator. In damped oscillator, the differential equation is m d2x by dt square plus r dx by dt plus kx is equal to 0. This equation is similar to this differential equation. In place of m, we take here L. In place of r, there is r. In place of k, there is 1 upon c. This is differential equation in Q. This is differential equation in X. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to a e raised to minus RT upon 2m sine of omega dash t plus phi. Here, the solution, the differential equation in Q, so that in solution Q is equal to, here differential equation in X, so that solution is X is equal to, here solution is Q is equal to Q0 e raised to minus RT upon 2L. Here L is equal to m. Here L, in place of L there is m. Q is equal to Q0 e raised to minus RT upon 2L sine of omega dash t plus phi. Here A e raised to minus RT upon 2m, this total is the amplitude of damped oscillator. In LCR circuit, the amplitude is Q0 e raised to minus RT upon 2L. Here we take the value of omega dash is square root of k by m minus r square upon 4m square. Here omega dash is equal to 1 upon L into C minus r square divided by 4L square. The case first, there is a condition, 3 cases or 3 condition. First condition is r square is greater than 4mk. Second condition, r square is equal to 4mk. And third condition is r square is less than 4mk. These are the 3 conditions. For first condition, r square greater than 4mk, there is overdamped oscillation. In case second, r square is equal to 4mk, that is called as critically damped oscillation. In case third, r square less than 4mk, there is damped oscillatory motion. Now in electrical circuit, there are also 3 cases. First case, r square is greater than 4L by C. In this case, the oscillations are overdamped oscillation. In case second, r square is equal to 4L by C, then oscillations are called as critically damped oscillation. In case 3, r square is less than 4L by C, oscillations are called as damped oscillatory motion or damped oscillations. The quality factor Q is equal to, we know that the value of Q is m omega upon r. Here the value of m is L, omega is omega and r is r. So that quality factor Q for LCR circuit is given as omega L by r. This is the application of damped oscillation